Narration. You know the feeling. You unlock your iPhone and there it is. That little red circle with a number 1. Sitting right on your settings icon. An iOS update is available. A wave of emotions hits you. There's a little excitement for new features. But it's quickly replaced by a sense of dread. Will this be the one that kills my battery life? Will it make my phone slow and buggy? So you tap, remind me later. For the 7th time. If this sounds like you, then stick around. Because today we're going to uncover the truth about iPhone updates. Bust the common myths. And I'll show you the pro-level way to update your phone without any fear. Narration. Let's be honest. Apple's marketing team does a great job of hyping up the big annual iOS releases. We hear about massive changes to the lock screen, new messaging features, or cool new apps, and we can't wait to get our hands on them. This is the fun side of updates. It's like getting a brand new phone for free. But then there are the other updates. The ones labeled iOS 17.3.1. There's no new wallpaper, no fancy new feature to show your friends. It just looks boring. And this is where the dilemma starts. We weigh the cool new features we might get against the horror stories we read online about updates gone wrong. People complaining about terrible battery life, apps crashing, or their phone just feeling sluggish. It's no wonder so many of us just choose to ignore them. But what if I told you that those boring point 1 updates are often the most important ones you can possibly install? Narration. This is the secret that most people overlook. The number 1 reason for the vast majority of iOS updates is security. Your iPhone holds your entire life, your private messages, your banking apps, your photos, your location data. And just like you lock the front door to your house, your phone needs digital locks to keep intruders out. But here's the thing, hackers are constantly finding new ways to pick those locks. Apple's security team works around the clock to find these vulnerabilities and patch them. Those small, seemingly boring updates, they are the digital equivalent of Apple sending a locksmith to your house to install a stronger, unpickable lock. By ignoring that update, you are essentially leaving your front door unlocked, hoping nobody notices. Every day you wait is another day you are exposed to potential security threats that have already been fixed. Narration. Okay, let's tackle the 2 biggest fears head on. Myth number 1. Updates will destroy my battery life. It is true that right after a major update, you might notice your battery draining faster for a day or 2. But it's not permanent. Your iPhone is working hard in the background, re-indexing files, optimizing apps, and recalibrating the system. It's like unpacking and organizing after a big move. It takes energy, but after a day or so, it settles down, and battery life almost always returns to normal, or is sometimes even better thanks to new optimizations. Now for myth number 2. Apple slows down older phones with updates to make you buy a new one. This was a huge controversy years ago, but the situation is very different now. Apple was forced to be transparent. While it's true that new, more demanding software can feel slower on older hardware, Apple doesn't intentionally cripple your device. In fact, many updates include performance improvements that can actually make your older iPhone feel faster. Narration. So, you are convinced. You're ready to update. But you want to do it right. Here is the simple, stress-free free checklist to follow for a perfect update every single time. 1. Check for enough free space. Go to Settings, General, and then iPhone Storage. You'll usually need between 2 and 5 GB free. 2. And this is the most important step. Back your phone. You can back up to iCloud or plug it into your computer and back up with Finder or iTunes. It takes a few minutes, but it's your ultimate safety net. If anything goes wrong, you won't lose your precious data. 3. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug your phone into a power source. The last thing you want is the download failing or the phone dying mid-installation. 4. Just tap, download and install, enter your passcode. And have patience. Go make a coffee, walk the dog, let it do its thing. Don't panic if it takes a while. Narration. Updating your iPhone doesn't have to be a source of anxiety. When you see that little red notification, don't see it as a threat to your battery. See it as a free upgrade. An upgrade to your security. A boost in performance. And yes, sometimes a package of fun new features. By following a simple backup and update process, you can get the best of both worlds. The latest and greatest software. With total peace of mind. Your iPhone is a powerful tool. And keeping its software current is the single best way to ensure it stays secure, stable, and enjoyable to use for years to come. So, what has your experience with updates been like? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you conquer your update fears, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.